Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Saturday morning. I've been wearing my hair like this all week. I'm going to see what it looks like, and I'm going to take the rest of the braids out from the front. And it is time to shampoo this hair. Yes, these Sisterlocks really need to be shampooed. It's really my scalp that really needs the water. And so that's my way of deciding I'm shampooing my hair, because if I go by what others say, they'll say, no, you don't need to shampoo it. Your hair still looks good. But I still have to take care of it in order for it to continue to look good. So I'm going to take these braids out. I'm going to let you see what this style would have been with the braids taken out. Say thank you for all of you making me feel like family. I went to a Sisterlock group a couple days ago, and the question was asked about some YouTubers that you would recommend or that you watch. And I was going down the list, and I was so stunned, I don't even think I added to the list, because I saw my name quite a few times, and I hope I didn't miss thanking anyone for including me or giving me a shout out. But I saw where someone even said that Jean G was like an auntie. And that's not the first time I've heard that, because Carolina Girl has deemed me her YouTube auntie. So thank you. Thank you for making me feel like family. That is so encouraging and uplifting for me. And that is what I try to do on my channel. Uplift and encourage people. Each day I try to give a message that would help you along the way. If it's just me saying how much I love you, I want you to know that that is true and it is real. Now that you've seen how this hair would look with all the braids taken out, this would be what it looks like. And the back has been out most of the week. Well, all of this week. This is what it would look like. I wanted you to know that you can part your hair a little bit lower, give it a little bit more fullness. What else could I have done to this hair? I could braid this back or just twist it back and hold it back, and that would be another hairstyle, maybe for another time. I'm going to continue with the videos coming at least 2 times a week. You will always get a video on Monday and Friday. And if I'm inspired with another, then it will be more than that. Thank you again for all that you do to make me feel like I'm a part of your family. Thank you for inspiring, motivating, and uplifting me. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for sharing my video. I want to do a special shout out today to a friend of mine that has been my friend since 6th grade. She has been inspirational in supporting, sharing, and uplifting me. Thank you, Estelle, for all that you do to encourage, push, motivate, and make me feel like I'm amazing. Thank you for all that you do. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers, and I love my followers. But I especially love God because He placed all of you in my life. When I thought that I was providing a message to give you the motivation to move on, to keep going, to be uplifted and encouraged, you turned it around. You turned it around, and you do the same thing for me. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support. I'm going to go now and braid and brand my hair and get ready for my shampoo. Have a great day.